So, here in the UK, we have a saying, don't ask. And I've just bought a bumper. Why? Don't ask. I'll show you. So here's what I've bought. I've bought myself a standard bumper. I was just looking on eBay, putting an offer, and it looks like I've done a bit of work to it, but it looks a bit like a Formula 1 track, doesn't it? Or some islands. So what's happened is someone's whacked someone, and we got this repair here. So I've sanded it all down because it was just cracked and flaking off. I've taken off all the loose stuff and sanded it down, but I'm not sure how to repair this, whether to sand it right down or whether to fill it. So I either sand it all flat, which would leave, as far as I think, I think it would leave some kind of dip and just wouldn't look right, but I'm not sure. Depends how far you sanded it, I suppose, but you'd have to sand it pretty long way. So what I'm going to do is I've sanded it all down, as you've seen, and I'm going to have a go at slapping some filler in. I've got some bumper filler, and I'm going to see if that actually repairs this, or if I've just completely wasted my money and time. So let's I don't know the proper method. I'm not a bodywork specialist, but I'm going to give it a go and see what happens. Is it just me, or does everyone do the golf ball P size filler? So I've heard the videos say you've got to hit it with a DA, but I'm not going to hit it with it because I think it'll do too much damage. So I'm just going to use it on it. So I'm going to start with some very, very coarse. I'm going to start because I'm lazy. I'm going to start with some 60. You can tell where you need more filler. So if you see these areas here, you can see the low spots, so they automatically need more filler to fill them up. But looking better for the first pass.